what's happening?
I'm about to butcher your son's hair with this.
Aaron, what do you think about that? Yeah! Go for it, Daddy.
Ready?
Aaron is 1.5 years old, getting his first haircut. Not sure. Aaron, it's okay. Okay, save me a big chunk. Aww, yeah!
You wanna?
Yeah, I will.
I'm gonna stay as much as I can.
Okay.
Lydia, honey,
Lala, honey,
you're on my
please
cord,
don't play
baby.
with it.
Thank you.
Aaron, yay!
Do you want to see it on the sides before I do it everywhere?
No, there's nothing I can do to stop this.
It's okay. It's like a big tickle.
Woo!
Have you ever seen Daddy do this to himself?
Yeah.
I will. I'll cut it today.
That's right, Aaron. Daddy's getting it. No. Oh. It's not a lot.
Yeah, it's not funny. Okay, buddy.
Can I try picking it up? You didn't even get any of that yet.
Grab all of it. Yep. Okay. It's okay, buddy.
Okay, little boy. Come here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's see it when it's done now.